This truck is taking over the interwebs by storm. Signature ReadyLIFT 7-inch kit on our Everest Edition 37s on 24 by 12-inch wheels. Man, what a stellar package truck. So we took the XLT grill off and put a STX grill with illuminated emblem on the front to really give it that signature look. And we just feel like that this STX grill looks more like a Bigfoot edition or just more of a big boy signature front grille versus the XLT. So we really are happy with that, and really happy with the overall ride quality of this 7-inch ReadyLIFT suspension lift kit. And of course the Nittos always balance out very well. The TIS 544 BM wheel is definitely one of the hottest on the market today. It's a signature package. Amp Research power deployable running boards right here at your source, Akins Ford. Give us a shot. We'd love to see you. This truck's waiting for you.